All right, this will be another set of extras. There's a lot of things you can do with the hexagon construction. So once again, we've made a circle. We've kept the compass the same opening. I've picked a point on the circumference. Now I'm just going to do the same thing we've been doing, but all the way. I'm making big circles, big circles. And these circles intersect each other, and those intersections are going to create not just one hexagon, but all kinds of hexagons. These hexagons will share sides. They're sharing hexagons. They're happy, peaceful hexagons. They're all nestled together, kind of hugging. It's like hugging polygons. They're not angry. They've come together. They're united hexagons, you might say. You might say they're united hexagons. So they fit together, much like all the states in our country just fit together, like little shapes, little irregular shapes. They're not hexagons. That would be a fun country. A bunch of hexagonal states. Well, that would be a mathematician's country. That would be. So a couple things you'll be seeing here as I kind of continue to do this. Some of what I'm doing is off the page, but I'll show you what comes of it a little later. Is you should see a flower design in the center circle there. So that's a nice design all by itself. And it comes about as a freebie for making the hexagons. One thing that will also happen, let me show you what I'm doing down here, is the more you make these hexagons, you'll start getting little gaps like this. Because these pencil lines have a certain thickness and I have to pick where to put the sharp end of my compass, there's a little bit of error introduced. So when you get down here, kind of split the difference. And you can sometimes kind of match it up. I know that this compass should go through these centers and kind of split the error. Don't just blindly go along and doing it. But if you think about it, those errors don't have to accumulate as badly as they seem they might. All right, so I think I'm done here. So there's a lot of stuff going on here, and one is we have this original hexagon that I showed you how to make in the first hexagon video. And this video is really about making a grid. And so what we're going to find when we look at the Islamic geometric design is they have a lot of repeating patterns. And those repeating patterns are based upon some underlying lattice of shapes. And one of the popular repeating shapes is a hexagon. Bees like it. You'll find hexagonal tilings all over the place. It could be the grill cover to your vehicle. You'll find it in mats. It's a very efficient way for dividing up space. Again, bees figured this out quite a while ago. So if I made these hexagons a little smaller, they would continue off in this direction and in this direction. You would have one continuing up here, and so on and so forth. One in this direction, one in this direction. So it's in this way that almost effortlessly, just by continuing all these circles, we get this nice hexagonal grid. So we can make patterns that extend from one to the other.